what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a pack with me for like a little weekend trip that I'm going on. You guys love or seem to like my pack with me's. I've done a few. I've done one for Hawaii. I've done one for Disney World, I think. I've done a few. So go check out those. I'll have them linked in the description box. But today, I'm actually going to, or tonight, I'm going to Raleigh, North Carolina for the NC State game, which is tomorrow. We're not actually going to the game. We're just going to like tailgate and like hang out with people. But it's one of our friends' birthdays tonight and he's having a party at his like apartment or whatever. So we're going to that tonight and then staying the night in Raleigh and going to the tailgate tomorrow, and then we're staying the night again, and I think we're coming home Sunday. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm packing for like a weekend college trip, because that's really fun. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and let's get started. I just filmed a video, a collective haul, and so this is my room right now. It is absolutely a disaster. It is so bad. If you know me personally, you know this never happens. Like, my room is always spotless because I'm freaking crazy. So this is giving me a little bit of anxiety, but I knew that I wasn't gonna like clean it up and then make my room a mess again by packing. So I just thought I would film and then clean up and pack at the same time. So I'm multitasking. But so this is gonna be like a clean with me and a pack with me. But my friend is gonna be here at 6:30 and it's 4:30. So I mean, I've got a while to pack. But I don't know what I'm bringing. I think I made a list on my phone though. I made a list of the outfits that I wanna bring. Okay, so I need to clean up and pack. I'm just gonna bring this bag. It's like a freaking Hawaiian bag, but that's all I have. So I'm gonna pack that, or that's what I'm gonna bring my stuff in. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing tonight too. I'm ready, except I might do eyeshadow and then I'm gonna change, obviously. So I gotta pack my toiletries. There's so much I gotta pack. I don't even know. We're sleeping on an air mattress. I'm bringing that. I already have that in my car. Yeah, but like I'm gonna pack waters because I need to stay hydrated, and like I don't know if we're gonna have access to like bottled water. This is how crazy I am, okay? Oh God, okay, I'm like procrastinating. I guess I'm gonna do like a little time lapse of me like cleaning up and packing, and then before I put the outfits in here, I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. That's what we'll do. We'll do that, okay? Cue time lapse right now. All right guys, so I don't know how long that took me, honestly, like 45 minutes maybe, because I cleaned and unpacked, so, or I was packing. I gotta hurry though because my friend said she's about to leave. She had to go to Charlotte, and oh my God, it's dark. What did I come in here for? Oh, she had to go to Charlotte, and then poor thing has to drive us all the way to Raleigh, but she's coming here. She's stopping in Greensboro because it's on the way, and picking me and our friend up. So I was gonna try and put this laundry away this weekend, or before I leave, but I don't think that this is gonna get done, so we're just gonna have to leave that in the corner of my room, which freaks me out a little bit because I sorry, I'm getting over a sickness. I hate when things aren't put away, but I've got to do a deep clean at my apartment probably next week because things are just getting a little dusty, if you know what I mean. I just haven't had time to really clean. Okay, I'm like rambling. So I packed my makeup. I did a time lapse of that. I don't know really what I packed. I was trying to hurry. So got my makeup. I probably won't wear any on the way home. I'm just bringing it for tomorrow for the tailgate. But okay, I'm gonna show you guys my outfits that I have. So I'm bringing some Align joggers from Lululemon. I don't know why, but I'm bringing them, and then some Lululemon sweatpants for the ride home. And I'm probably gonna sleep in both of these, honestly. And then I brought 2 t-shirts to sleep in, one like for the ride home too. And then I brought this sweatshirt for the ride home and this beanie. Even though it's white and then this is cream, but I don't really care because I feel like it's gonna be cold on the way home, so I wanna be comfortable, so I'm just gonna wear sweatpants and probably this sweatshirt and this beanie. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. I'm not really completely sure. Okay, but yeah, that's my like comfy outfits, and then I've got this water bottle. Okay, so for the tailgate tomorrow, obviously I'm going to NC State University, which is red and black. So I'm bringing this like red turtleneck sweater from Princess Polly. This was the Olivia Jade collab. Got it last year, it's cropped, I'm gonna wear that. And this Free People leather skirt that I hauled in my birthday haul. Go check that out. I'll have it linked. in the description box, but I'm gonna wear this. And I'm gonna be freezing, guys, like I'm not gonna lie. But, so I'm gonna wear that with these. I'm bringing my Uggs, I guess, for like the ride home or whatever. But I'm wearing these tall thigh-high boots with the skirt and sweater combination. And I'm also bringing my IMGA pixie coat, teddy coat thing, this huge jacket to wear to the tailgate, and also like tonight in the car and stuff. Cause I'm gonna be inside tonight, but tomorrow I'm gonna be outside. So I just thought I'd bring like a huge jacket. I think some of the girls said they were just gonna dress warm and not cute, but I don't know, I never like go to tailgates. I don't know, I just thought I might as well just freeze my butt off. But I'm bringing a jacket, so hopefully it'll be okay. But I'm gonna show you the outfit that I'm wearing tonight later when I get it on. But I think that's all that I'm packing. I'm packing a protein bar. Oh, and I'm wearing these booties tonight. So I'll show you that later. But I'm only bringing those thigh highs and these Uggs. And I need to pack my toiletries, so I'll show you guys what I'm bringing for that in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack all this up and put it in a bag. And I guess I'll do a time lapse for that. And then I'll do a time lapse for the toiletries and then show you guys what I'm bringing. And then I think I'm done. I'm exhausted, like I'm so tired. Okay, let's do this. All right, guys, so I realized I never showed you my outfit, but it's 6 right now and my friend's about to be here, so I gotta hurry. But this is the outfit. It's kind of low, not gonna lie, but I'm just gonna go with it. It's fine. But these pants I actually have had for a while. They're from Urban. I think I got them 2 summers ago. This top is from Free People, and I'm a little uncomfortable, but it's fine. And then booties are from Urban, and this is my outfit for the night. I guess I'll just end off the vlog here, or the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell so you get notified. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. I think you guys enjoy seeing what I pack, so let me know if you did enjoy it. And yeah, this is the situation right now, and I definitely overpacked because I talked to my friends and they said they didn't pack really anything. Kind of freaking out, but it's okay. It's fine. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.